Not sure if your Galaxy Watch 6 is charging properly? You can easily test its wireless charging function right from your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Let's do a quick check using the built-in device care tool. To do so, on your phone, head into Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Tap Watch Diagnostic. From the list, tap Wireless Charging and then put your watch on the charger. Just use the original wireless charger that came with your watch. Your phone will check the connection. If everything is working fine, you will see the result as normal. That's it. This test helped you confirm your watch is charging correctly using its official wireless charger. Super useful if you suspect issue or just want peace of mind. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.